Hey guys, Chris here from Axle Advance once again. This is episode 2 of our solar collection series. Today, we're going to be going over the Node pistol pouch. This is our oldest pouch we've made for the Eclipse. This is one of our best and tried and true, and you guys know all about this. But for those who don't, this is our double layered elastic construction, depth retention based pistol pouch. It can be vertically, diagonally in either direction, which makes for easier draws and more natural draws. As for compatibility, this works with most double-stack magazines on the market. So if it's polymer-based like your Glocks right here, like so, easy to insert and easier to take out. As for metal mags like your FNs, your Berettas, sometimes your SIGs, right here, you just put them right there, in, out, easy day. These are in stock and ready to ship on our website, axleadvance.com. You can head over there or find the link to the site in the description below. As always, if you guys have questions for us, leave them in the comments or hit up our CS team at the following emails, support@axleadvance.com. As always, we'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy.